Hello friends, welcome to Bygrayps IAS. Today we will discuss UPSC CSC IAS Prelims News Foundation Book of September 2025. Index topic sections: Agriculture, Art and Culture, Reports, Environment and Ecology, Botany, Biology, Biotechnology, Technology, Space Science, Polity, Geography, Economy, International Bodies, National Bodies, International Relations, Defense, Conservation, Scheme, Reports, and other miscellaneous topics. Now we will discuss subtopics of all those section topics, and one topic will be discussed in detail. First, agriculture, yellow peas. Here, yellow peas are versatile, nutritious legume known for their protein, fiber, and vitamin B1 content. So, yellow peas are legume plants, very important to know. Next, art and culture. Topic is Arunachaleshwar temple. So, Arunachaleshwar temple is dedicated to Shiva and Parvati, which is located at the location of Annamalai Hills, Tamil Nadu. So very important, the temple, the deity dedicated to, and the hill area. So historically, the Cholas, which began the construction of the central sanctum during 10th century, where Vijayanagara dynasty Nayakas built the main Gopuram, all of 1,000 pillars, and this architecture also received other contribution from Pandyas, Sambhuvarayars, Pala, Kasa, and other chieftain and other zamindars. So this is also very important to know historically who contributed in this temple construction. Next section is space science. Topics are multi-messenger astronomy and Arjuna asteroid 2025 P and 7. We discuss on topic of this of Arjuna asteroid 2025. This is discovered as a new neighbor in the Earth skies. The asteroid is 2025 P and 7, which is confirmed to be the planet's latest quasi-satellite. Remember this keyword, quasi-satellite. Now, environment and ecology section. The topics are Restilla vidomi, elephants, Indian roller, the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, bonnet macaque, wide-nose guitterfish, the dugong, the lion-tailed macaque, finless snake eel, world's first vaccine to save koalas, and rest of the species are the koala, bent-toed gecko, Proteus lutea, killer whale. Here one topic we will discuss in environment and ecology, that is koala. It is herbivorous marsupial native to Australia, right? The koala is found in coastal areas of eastern and southern regions, inhabiting Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia. So very important for prelims, know the locations where they are distributed, and very important thing is that the koalas comes under the category of marsupial. Now next we will move to botany section. The topics are maize plants, potato, Numilghar refinery, peach, Istoma grandiflorum, the papaya, Gastrochilus peachy, Egli marmelos. Out of all those topics, one topic we will discuss, peach, right? It's a deciduous tree that bears edible juicy fruits. Okay, and China is producing 65% of the world's total peach. Very important. With reference to peach, they will give China is producing world's total peach or India is producing total world's speech. And more importantly, remember it is a deciduous tree. Now we will move to next section, biology. The topics are World Health Organization recommends salt intake limit. Second, introcytogene hepatopeniae, Japanese encephalitis, Balantidium E. coli, Robert Koch, infant mortality rate, how RNA amino acids may have linked on early Earth. So one topic we will discuss out of this, that is Blantidium coli. It's a parasitic species of ciliate alveolate that causes disease, blantidiasis, right? And is pathogenic to humans. Now we will move to next section, that is biotechnology. Topics are the Bacillus calmette-guerin, Raksha IBR, hydrogel, sustainable aviation fuel, glucagon-like peptide agonists. Scientists develop designer clownfish. So these are topics of biotechnology. One topic we will discuss. Here, the scientists developed designer clownfish. Right? They are kind of ornamental fish, right? The National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, they claim that they developed designer clownfish through crossbreeding of two clownfish species, and those species are Amphiprion percula male and Amphiprion ocularis female. ठीक, हम इसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या होगा कि ऑर्नामेंटल फिश इंडस्ट्री की ग्रोथ बढ़ेगी. Now we will move to another section, that is technology. Topics are Sayog portal, Vibe working, Neon, interstellar mapping and acceleration probe, batteries technology, astronauts with diabetes, Mykon Gurvinch MiG-21, the intermediate range Agni Prime missile, quantum entanglement, Artemis 2, thermal power plants, waste to energy plants limits, the X-Guard fiber optic towed decoy, fiber reinforced plastic, Typhoon missile system, anti-submarine warfare ship, domain name system security extensions, Internet Protocol version 6, coal gasification, rechargeable magnesium ion coin cell, isobutanol, glucagon-like peptide receptor agonist, hydrogen-powered train, COVID vaccine intelligence network, COVIN, jellyfish. Oh, it is. Now we will see why jellyfish in technology. Cold fusion phenomenon, geological sequencing, Majrona fermion, India to test battery storage at coal plants to balance grid as solar. So out of those, one topic is Mykon Gurevich MiG-21, right? It is a Russian supersonic jet fighter interceptor aircraft designed by Mykon Gurevich Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Now in this case, why jellyfish in technology section? See, jellyfish swan reduced the output by 2.4 gigawatt at French utility nuclear plant. This is what something recently happened. Because of jellyfish, the output is reduced. What happened is that they enter the filters of the pumping station. Because of this, the output is reduced. Now we will come to next section, that is space science. The topic is cosmic dust grains. So the topic is cosmic dust grain. Here the astronomers by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics collaborators have made a breakthrough in understanding how these cosmic dust grains line up with the galaxy's magnetic field, and the dust grains are typically a few micrometers in size, composed primarily of silicates and carbonaceous material. Very important. The dust grains are composed of these materials found throughout the interstellar medium in Milky Way, another galaxy. Right? What is the main significance is that they play a crucial role in wide range of astrophysical processes, which includes formation of stars and planets. Now, next section, polity. The topics are the Monetary Policy Committee, the default setting. Karnataka High Court directs UIDA, Joint Bipartite Committee for the Coal Industry, Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme, Article 356 in Constitution of India, Right to Vote Statute, Kerala Cabinet approves Draft Wildlife Protection Amendment Bill 2025, Article 200 in Constitution of India, Goods and Services Tax, Lok Adalats, DNA Test, Foreigners Tribunals Statements. Now, one topic of the polity section. Here, the Karnataka High Court directs UIDAI is that location of use of Aadhaar, certain data of Aadhaar, could be disclosed only on the direction given by High Court as per section 33(1) of the Aadhaar Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Services Act 2016. So very important to know that the location use of Aadhaar, a particular ID with certain data, can be disclosed on direction of High Court. Next topic, section are geography. Geography topics are lunar eclipse, Kothayod Wildlife Sanctuary, Aralam Butterfly Sanctuary, Natural Gas Reserves, India's Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, Kottapalli Port Natural Gas, Kaziranga National Park, Venezuela, Dugong Conservation, Alarum Butterfly Sanctuary, and that is repeated again. Super Typhoon, uranium deposits in India, supermassive black hole, Dordo, Paradeep Port, the Bhagaputra Crocodile Project, Annamalai Tiger Reserve, Periyar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, Nord Stream, Vembanad Lake, Carlsberg Ridge, the FNC Nikiti Sea Mount, Gangotri Glacier. Now, other more geography topics, Scarborough Shola Standoff, Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, Strait of Malacca, Blue Mountains. So we'll discuss one topic of geography, that will be North Stream. So you can see it's a network of offshore natural gas pipelines which runs under the Baltic Sea from Russia to Germany. It is only to provide Western Europe with natural gas. Now, next section, that is economy. Topics are gold as raw material, the Federal Reserve System, invasive fruit flies from Asia, buyback, the primary market, foreign portfolio investment, what is an equity derivative. So these are topics of economy of this month. So here the first topic, gold as raw material. Reserve Bank of India allowed banks to grant need-based working capital loans to manufacturers using gold as a raw material, which extended the provisions which is available only to jewelers. So in prelims, they give you the statement that the banks grant need-based working capital loans to manufacturers using gold as raw material or not. Next topic, international bodies. The topics are Central Authority in India for Mutual Legal Assistance Request in Criminal Matters, Asian Development Bank. And another section of national bodies, ICAR National Research Center for Banana, the Payments Regulatory Board, and Indian Cotton Federation, Coffee Board of India, National Ambient Noise Monitoring Network, National Company Law Tribunal, right? So on topic we will discuss Coffee Board of India is an autonomous organization managed by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Very important. Government of India is to promote coffee production in India, where the head office is situated in Bangalore. The important thing is that Coffee Board of India is an autonomous organization and organized by or managed by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It was established by an Act of Parliament in 1942. Now next section is international relations regarding section. The topics are the Spice Route Initiative, Rohingya refugees, what is 1:1 ratio production rule, statement, BRICS, statement, and then Belem Health Action Plan, the statement again. Next, the Convention for the Safeguarding of the Intangible Cultural Heritage, Hong Kong's Legislative Council, the Sino-Indian border dispute, human African trypanosomias, two-state solution and statement. The topics is the 1:1 chip production rule. The rule implies that every chip maker or a semiconductor company has to balance the import volume with the domestic production volume. So very stringent rule, or a simple terms, the firm imports, let's say, 10 million chips. And now the rule says that they have to produce 10 million units in US based fabs so that they can produce, jobs and also become self-sufficient in their chip makings. Next section we come to defense. The statement, Resolute Dragon military drills, Siom Prahar, Project 75, India-Russian multilateral joint military exercise, Rapid 2025. So on topic we will discuss Resolute Dragon military drills. Japan and United States began the Resolute Dragon military drill, and last for 2025 September, the US and Japan UK conduct tactical air exercises over waters east of Okinawa, Japan. So here the prelims question can be the military drill, right? The name will be given and the location. The location of this drill is Okinawa, Japan. Now next section we will come to schemes. Scheme for promotion of manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India. Mera Resham Mera Abhiman, coal gasification incentive scheme. So one scheme we will discuss, scheme for promotion of manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India. India approved the scheme to promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India on March 15, 2024. The most significance of this is it will lessen the imported crude oil. Now another section will come to sports. Sports topics are the New Delhi 2025 World Para Athletics Championship, the World Wrestling Championship 2025. And other left out topics are like awards, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and report section, child marriage on the decline in India report. In the other miscellaneous topic section, World Rabies Day 12th International Symposium on Disease in Asian Aquaculture. Here, the topic sports section, the New Delhi 25 World Para Athletics Championships. So, topic lines are New Delhi 25, the World Para Athletics Championships, which will take place from 27th September to 5th October. It will be the 12th edition of World Para Athletics Championships, and it is the largest para sport event ever held in India. Another very important is that Asia has hosted the World Championships in 4 occasions. That is, firstly, let's suppose Doha 2015, Dubai 2019, Kobe in Japan in 2024. Here the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. This Dada Saheb Phalke Award actually given to Mohanlal to be presented for 2023. This award actually comprises Swarna Kamal, Golden Lotus Medallion, shawl, and cash prize of 10 lakh. Now, report section. The report section says the child marriage on the decline in India report. And this indicates that the practice among the girls has gone down by 69%, among boys 72%. Now, other few miscellaneous topics like World Rabies Day on 28th September, on the anniversary of Louis Pasteur death. He's a French chemist, microbiologist, actually who developed the first rabies vaccine.